Hello friends, welcome back. Now we'll be looking at the problems from Group B. So let me just introduce the marking scheme of Group B. So Group B contains 17 short problems and each problem worth 2 marks. And this type of problems basically deal with writing down the correct formula and then substituting the values. And in case of the problems from the geometries, so you might need to use one or two theorems. All right, so you will get 1 point for each theorem, and for rest of the problems you have to write down the correct formula and then substitute the values and get the correct answer. So you will get 2 marks for that. Okay, and so we will do the whole thing here, and we'll also see how long each problem will be. And it depends, because every problem is not of the same length, even if it is of 2 marks. But we'll see. In average it will be around 3 to 4 lines, so not much longer. But if you feel you will need a longer method for your confidence, for not to miss any points, or not to do any type of mistakes, then you can do this using longer method, or use 6, 7, 8, 10, as much lines as you need. All right, but you are just getting 2 marks, and those 2 points are not because you write a longer answer. That is because you have written the right process, right formula, and right answer. That's it. Okay, and that is the introduction for the problems of Group B. I'll remind you while doing other problems as well, but for now let's use that to do this problem 4a. And we are doing problems from 2074 RE109CC set, and problem 4a is the problem from chain rule or unitary method. Here the relation between dollars and pound is given, and pound and Nepalese currency is given, but we have to find out the direct relation of US dollars or whatever dollar and Nepali rupees, and we have to find the values of $132. Okay, let's see it. Solution. So if you know how to do using chain rule, this is a very short method. Unitary method, it is a little bit longer, but that is just one line longer, so you can use either of these methods. So I'll use the chain rule. So in chain rule, you have to put the units, you have to balance the unit on left hand side and right hand side. So if you write dollars on left hand side, then when you write dollar the other time, that should be on the right hand side. Okay, so that is how we balance things. So let's see for this one, and I'll write D for dollars, pound, P for pound, and N or R for Nepalese rupees. So we have $176, which is equal to 100 pounds, right? Now we have pound on right hand side, we write the unit pound on the left hand side. So 1 pound is equal to let's write the value at first. So 119 rupees, right? And we have written rupees on the right hand side. Next time we'll write rupees on the left hand side. And since we have to find out the rupees, we don't know the values of Nepalese currency, so we write here X rupees is equal to $132. So if we look here, it is automatically balanced because the dollar now appears on the right hand side. So all the 3 units are balanced here. Right, now what we do is, in chain rule, we multiply left hand side and equate it with the right hand side. So 176 times 1 times x. Okay, my x looks just very similar to multiplicative sign, but don't get confused, it is a little longer here, is equal to 100 times 119 times 132, right? So here the value of x will be 100 times 119 times 132 divided by 176. Okay, so if you use the calculator, so it will be 8925. Therefore $132 or D, so sorry, I have written D is equal to NRS 8925. This is our answer. Alright, got it? Great, good luck.